out here. Got the whole fam at the NBA. The last place you want to be on a Saturday morning, up early. Stand here at the NBA. You got the Bibles on the bed? Trying to get these IDs done. Don't know if it's the right line we supposed to be in or not.
Pocket chocolate.
Let me see that pocket chocolate again. Let me see your pocket chocolate. Talk about some pocket chocolate. This is chocolate.
It's greatness. It's greatness. Come on.
What's some chocolate?
Look at Kate. Think she a big girl today.
The fresh boots.
Sorry, Dad kept saying. I thought it was MBA.
MVA. Motor Vehicle Administration.
I thought it was MBA.
M as in
That was
move.
MBM. I mean MVM.
What you playing? Put your clothes down.
Can I get a hug?
Stop. Still in line. Trying to be seen first. So you gotta stand in line and then sit down, get a number, and then wait like 3 more hours.
Why look like connected?
Because it's there in my pocket. It's pocket chocolate.
Chocolate.
Pocket chocolate.
I get that one half right there.
We over here fighting on this one little piece of chocolate.
I gave you
Y'all
something.
stop swarming on me like flies.
I gave you something yesterday. Yes, yes, I did. I wanted to get chocolate.
Bite. I mean, what is it? What is the real life? What is it? Oh, okay, because I guess the ID don't actually. What you mean? So if I wasn't a U.S. citizen and I had an ID, it would just take me out of the system or something? Okay, that's what I want to know. That's what I know.
But you know, people try to reach
Watch her.
Yes, baby. Did I look cute as a baby?
Yes. What's wrong? I know you ain't trying to be here, just like I'm not trying to be here.
Me either. This is boring. This is boring.
Oh yes, I'm gonna take a new picture. We're about to be here for a little while. So it shouldn't take that long to get our ID stuff. I know you can hear it though.
Last serving, T1 at counter number 38.
That's you.
Hi, girl.
Now serving,
Hi, girl.
T1 at counter number
Give me that.
38.
Give me. Uh-oh.
Now serving, G8 at counter number
Did you
33.
drop anything?
She 8.
What's our number?
She 31.
Oh my God.
Strap in, buddy. Strap in.
I'll be here for a while, y'all. Oh, so
27 away.
everything is done on this side.
I guess so.
You're G18.
Now serving, L36 at counter number 21.
Watch your
Sit down and be quiet.
Now serving, S5 at counter number
We up early as I don't know what in here and this thing going to be that heavy. Girl. Hi. Hi, mama. Say hi, little girl. Stick your tongue in your mouth.
now serving,
Look, I don't know the last time y'all been in the NBA, but this is real.
39.
Get your real ID. And I finally get to get my name. What you say?
I'm starving.
You always starving because you're greedy.
We have not ate anything.
Where's Twana?
Over there. Sleep.
Twan, what you doing?
Hi, baby.
It's not even 9 o'clock yet, and we in the thing. Oh, girl, you knocked my earring down.
6. Accounting number 30.
Goodness. You done knocked my earring down, everything.
Nursery.
It's about 130 people up in here on a Saturday morning
41.
trying to get their IDs and stuff taken care of. So you ain't the only ones who gotta get up early in the morning. Anything.
No, I want you to sit with that down.
Mm-hmm.
For the spine.
No, put that down. Mm-mm. Look, we don't got no snacks in here for kids. I'm not going to the vending machine. We ain't fixing nothing for breakfast. I don't know where we do that at.
Get you some of that right there.
Mm-mm. Show it 2 seconds. They about to be saying, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. But they about to go somewhere anyway, so I'm not really too worried about them. It's so cold outside, y'all.
Nursery. S. 8.
They about to
Accounting number
look. He one number away. They about to skip over everything called HIJKLMNOP and then be back on L. It's the only thing about the NBA. You think they're gonna call your name next? They get up to the L40, L41, then they call like 10 more numbers in between time. You see?
No.
It's early for this. Yeah, he got big jokes. It's early as I don't know what. He think he's so funny. You see y'all see his little race car jacket? Y'all got a race car jacket?
L42.
Okay.
Accounting number
We got 2 more for Daddy. I'm gonna be in here for a while still though. Try to knock both of our stuff out the same day so you don't gotta come down here one time.
accounting number
Gotta take
25.
care of his stuff one day, then come back for my stuff. Get it done the same day.
Nursery. Accounting number 39.
Bored, Emmy on her phone, and they can't stop talking. Try not to bring the kids to the NBA if you don't have to.
That 31, that 3, that 1. She don't like that 13.
Nursery.
No, I don't.
13. Accounting number 32.
They finally called his number. Wait. Stop. Wow.
Told me to.
Nursery.
Go
13. 45. Accounting number 36.
Still in here. 2 hours later. They only on G22. I'm G31. G31. A G thing. Because the kids getting restless, so they need to hurry up. We got in here about 9:15. It's about 10:15, so an hour later. It's taking so long. He back there falling asleep. Look, he done got his stuff done. I'm still waiting to get mine done, so they need to hurry up. Yeah, just walk behind him. Look, you never supposed to go to sleep in a public place, y'all. This man back there sleep. You don't know what's going on. Play with his ear, like touch his ear. Touch his ear. Just touch his ear. Do it. Oh my God, y'all, they so scared. London all scared. I'm trying to get her to go back there and play with Daddy's ear. This one over here want to fight everybody.
Like, see, look.
Yeah, she mean. Can't get what you want now and just throw a fit, throw a tantrum.
Nursery. G24. Accounting number 34.
not yours.
Stop before you break it.
Water.
This man know better than to go to sleep. He woke up. Hold up. I'm always so sneaky trying to get the kids to do something. So I'm trying to get Twan to go over there and play with Daddy. What is he over there doing?
Now serving
Oh, he over there charging his phone. But they stay with their phone. They gotta have that phone all the time. I got 5 more people in front of me, and it's about to take 3 more hours.
counter number
It's a baby.
now serving
What?
L75.
Girl, back up. Yeah, I got 2 more. They on G28. I got G31. We almost there. I don't know how I came to the NBA with no snacks. You're not supposed to come to no place like this with no snacks. You got the kids with you too? Oh yeah, you in trouble. Oh yeah, y'all tripping too. Or you gonna learn. You gonna learn today. Make sure y'all bring some snacks when you come to the NBA. Hey, chill out.
I'm not even doing it now. Same. What you looking at?
We finally get it done here, y'all. Alright, we done. Oh, Daddy got his stuff done. It's just I had to get my name changed on my ID. Oh, the doors. Alright, we done. We on our way to the car. You stop. We done now. We on our way to the car, y'all. We finally got up out that jail.